that you organized for all of us. So first of all, I would like to say thank you to God, the giver of life, the origin of all good, for, of course, the gift of God that He has given me, also the gift of vocation, also the gift of community where I belong. So na ako magpasalamat unang-una sa kaganan sa Ginoo. And secondly, I would like to say thank you also to my parents, although I am a father din yan, so balay, anak ko nagugto, din. So, usapan siya natin with the rest of at usapan to sa ako at sa okay. Ano sa nakati kanina? Nawala. Kaya may script acting ngayon. Una, part 10 to na, nawala gano'n. Sige, sayang lang siguro. And also my relatives who came all the way from Mendo, from Carmen, and also from Milagro, and also the sisters, the sisters, including the visitors, the ladies of charity, the ladies, the Maori, Ate Grace, Horta, and the youth from the Boom, the Junaris of Legion of Mary, Legion of Mary, Lady inside of it. Tapos youth from Carmen, the Exahive, Ate Tess, 36 on. And to all of you who are here tonight, damo-damo na salamat. Actually, for me, I do not consider this as a Despedida party. I told Father Jeff that actually there's no need for me to give or to do a Despedida because as what he mentioned, temporary lang ang paglisan. Maybe I'll be back next month. Pabalik ako sa Lumunan or maybe by September. Actually, may daw mga schedule na mabalik ko talaga ako din eh. Ang mga for me, there's no need of Despedida kaya mabalik-balik ko lang din eh. And labot kasi doon, I am from here, I am from Calvayo. So, from time to time, may mga okasyon man, especially kung mga pangatol na namin, kung balik-balik ko lang din sa mga paratunan, di ba? Paratunan sa bayahan, yun ang naman. 26-27. Sunod bulan, patron sa booking. Yun, kabisanan mga patron, no? August 22, kakbalugan, patron na liwan. Tapos kabayon na, sa gusto na ito, di ba? So, magbalik-balik na. Especially kabisado lang ito ni Father Jim at mga kapatid. Operator ni Father Jim at pamangkin. But anyway, so since it was considered also as a Despedida party, so I would like to say thank you to all of you for your support and prayers, most especially for having journeyed with me in these 5 years of my stay here in Nazareth Formation House. Way back 2007, I joined the community. Then I left 2012. Tapos 7 years after 2012, 2019, na-assign ako din eh. Kung 5 years ako nag-stay din eh as aspirant, then 5 years also I stayed as a formator. So somehow, it somehow gave me a glimpse of the journey that I went through. From being aspirant, kung saan to ako sa sawayan, nagsasaway sa mga formator. Yan ang pagka-formator, ako na lang yan nagsasaway sa mga sarawayan na mga charismatic. Ang malaman ko sa trabaho rin eh. So, despite that, so it gave me, let's say, a kind of a picture of the journey that I went through. And after all, I would like to say as well, thanks be to God that, these 5 years that I've stayed here have been a meaningful one, have been a fruitful one. I enjoyed a lot. I had a lot of experience. Siring panganing ups and downs. Parang siring kanina ni Marlo, that's my favorite one image. Di ba kung sa hospital gani, pag sa kalusan gani, ang tawag sito? Dito na siya baga sa lifetime ba? It shows that the journey is alive. Kung flat nga patay. Oo. Sa amin doon gyapon na naman stayed in this formation house. And there were ups and downs. But I am thankful because it only shows that the journey is alive. And of course, the journey does not end here, but it continues wherever I will be. So for this year, I'll be transferring to Cagayan de Oro, a community which is not new for me. Because before coming here, I was TikTok nasa yung muna bago mabuti niya, ibalik na lang TikTok, pabalik-balik na tayo niya ako. Dinak nasa ito, balik na luwat na. But you know, the consoling part is that, yes, yeah, I may be returning to the place where I have been before, but there, I believe there will always be something new. Merong bago sa pag-ulit, kaya naman sa Tagalog. There is always something new in every experience. Maybe I'll be encountering new people later on. I'll be encountering new experiences. I will be serving new communities, new people. But after all these things we are doing, not for our own glory, but for the sake of the greater glory of God. So, mga salamat sa iyo. And I forgot to mention again, ang members na ako nasa Information House Board of Management, si Mada Baby Ikesa. Sorry, I forgot to mention. Siya lang representative sa namon nasa Information Board of Management. So, pag-start sa ito, kami na lang Pater Biloy, kami na magkaupod sa ito. Si Pater Biloy, ito na mag-isip, ako na lang sumunod niya na. Kailangan talaga sunod sino mag-isip. Paano si Pater Joseph? But anyway, that's the journey. That is the reality of life. But siya rin pa nga ni Kanta, remember goodbye doesn't mean forever. And I believe we will be together again somewhere in time. If not here, maybe somewhere we'll be seeing each other again. So thank you very much. Thank you for coming. And we hope and pray that we continue serving the Lord wherever we will be and in whatever capacity that we can do. Thank you very much. Good evening and God bless you.